Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the Redmi Note 9 and removing the SIM tray. You do this to prevent short circuits. Next, warm the adhesive. Apply steady heat for about 1–2 minutes until the glue softens. Once the back feels warm, attach a suction cup, then slide plastic picks around the seam. Make small, even movements to avoid cracking the panel. If resistance stays high, reheat briefly. Do not pry with metal tools because you can damage the glass or frame. Once the back and mid-frame are open, identify and disconnect the battery connector immediately so you have an electrically safe workspace. Unscrew the visible Phillips screws and lift the plastic mid-frame carefully. Keep screws organized by location. You'll find adhesive strips under the battery. Pull them slowly and evenly, maintaining low angle pressure. If they break, use isopropyl alcohol to soften the glue. Never bend or puncture the battery. When freed, lift it from the corner and set it aside safely. Install the replacement battery by aligning the flex cable and gently seating the connector. Once connected, power on the device to verify charging and boot behavior before closing. If it boots, power off again, replace the mid-frame and all screws in their original spots, then press the back cover into place using new adhesive or pre-cut strips. Finally, test full charge cycle. If it does not boot, power off, reopen, and carefully reseat all flex connectors. Check for torn cables or misplaced shielding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.